Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to check out this mini transistor tape recorder that I got while out thrifting today for 30 bucks, made in Japan. Man, back in the day especially, that was always a great thing. Transistor tape recorder. I heard of transistor radios, but not tape recorders. I need to learn what the importance of the transistor, this technology this time was. But anyways, here we go. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Jeez, that's slick. Handle. Awesome. Oh my goodness, check this out. They actually give you the diagram. Come on, autofocus. They actually give you a frickin' diagram of the hardware on the inside. That is so cool. It's mini. I'm not seeing any brand unless maybe Mini is just the name of the tape recorder. We got that in there, and of course it also came with a microphone. Very nice. But actually, now that I'm looking at this, I'm wondering how I'm even going to be able to turn this on, because okay, we got the mic RSW. Honestly, I don't right side ways. I don't know. Anyways, gotta see if I can find. Oh, check it out. An American or a Canadian tuning. Very nice, eh? Let's see if we can use that too. How many times do I need to turn it? Beautiful. Oh, just beautiful. Wait a sec. Are those special batteries? Seriously, though. What kind of frickin' batteries do I need here? Okay, so like 9 volt, right? We'll see. We will see. That's what I got on the inside. Let me go play around with this a little bit. Alright, so I still don't have the 9 volt battery, but I did get the, what does it ask for? UM2, which is actually C-type battery. Got her in there. Let's try and play. Nothing. Rewind. Okay, so I bet that the O-ring, or the belt keeping this thing going, is basically toast. I really don't think that anyone's actually used this before. Very much, at least. Let's rewind. Huh. Alright, let me get some more batteries and open her up and we'll see. So after a good look, I discovered that there is no belt moving these things. All there are 2 motors at the top left and top right. And the one on the top right isn't very strong. I got a good rewind, but I don't got a good play. That motor actually has a spring on it, and the spring doesn't seem to have the power that it used to. But if I hold it, it seems to work. I kind of wanted to record my own voice on this thing, but I discovered pretty quickly that when the microphone is plugged in, I just couldn't get anything to work. So let's unplug that thing and see what we can hear on this reel-to-reel. So the mechanics in this are actually surprisingly simple. We got 2 motors, got the transistor, all the meat and guts down there. Anyway, so that motor is for the rewind, this motor is for the play. The motor for the rewind you'll see has a big round piece on it, and it holds up to time very nicely. However, the motor for play is just a little peg. Maybe it was supposed to be something bigger than that. Maybe there was a round peg on that, but I don't got that on this one, and it seems to be affecting its ability to play. That's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. That from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one. Take care of each other, folks.
It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at four gray walls that surround me. And I realize that I was only dreaming. There's a guard and there's a shadow padre. Arm in arm, we'll walk at daybreak and gain our touch. The green, green grass of home.